Hello everyone. Today's topic is A star search algorithm. A star means A star. Method is a combination of branch and bound and best search combined with the dynamic programming principle. The central idea in the A star algorithm is to guide best first search both by the estimate to the goal as given by heuristic function h and the cost of the path developed so far. It used heuristic function hn and cost of reach the node in the form cost to reach the node n from the start node gn. It has combined feature of UC and greedy best first search, uniform cost search, by which it solves the problem efficiently. A star search algorithm finds the shortest path through the search space using the heuristic function. This search algorithm expands less search tree and provides optimal results faster. So, in A star search algorithm, we use search heuristic as well as the cost to reach the node, and we can combine both costs as following, and this sum is called as fittest number. So Fn equals to Gn plus Hn. Fn क्या हो गया estimated cost of the cheapest solution. Gn हो गया cost to reach node n from start node or start state. Hn cost to reach from node n to goal node, where Gn is the cost of the path from the initial state to node n and Hn is the heuristic estimate or the cost of a path from node n to a goal. Fn estimate the lowest total cost of any solution path going through node n, and at each point a node with lowest f value is chosen for expansion. जिसमें हमारे Fn की वैल्यू मिनिमम होगी हम उसको आगे एक्सपेंड करेंगे. So A star is the best first search algorithm that always expands a node n such that Fn is minimal. So this is the algorithm of A star search algorithm. Step 1, place the starting node in the open list. Second step, check if the open list is empty or not. If the list is empty, then return failure and stops. Step 3, select the node from the open list which has the smallest value of evaluation function g plus h. If node n is goal node, then return success and stop. Otherwise, expand node n and generate all of its successors and put n into the closed list. For each successor n, check whether n is already in the open or closed list. If not, then compute evaluation function for n dash and place into open list. Else, if not n dash is already in open and closed, then it should be attached to the back pointer which reflects the lowest gn dash value. So what are the advantages of A star algorithm? A star search algorithm is the best algorithm than other search algorithm. A star search algorithm is optimal and complete. This algorithm can solve very complex problems. And what are the disadvantages? It does not always produce the shortest path, as it mostly based on the heuristic and approximation. Absolutely. A star search algorithm has some complexity issues. Okay. The main drawback of a SI is the memory requirement, as it keeps all generated nodes in the memory. So it is not practical for various large scale problems. Mean analysis. So we have studied the strategy which can reason either in forward or backward. But a mixture of two directions is appropriate for solving a complex and large problem. Such a mixed strategy make it possible that first to solve the major part of a problem and then go back and solve the smaller problem arise during the combining the big parts of the problem. Such a technique is called mean analysis. First, we have if you have a problem or a question, so first divide the problem into two parts. One is major part, second is smaller part. Then solve the major part, and then solve the smaller part. After the solving the problem, combine the combine both parts of the solution and problem. Such a technique is called mean analysis. So mean analysis is problem solving technique used in artificial intelligence for limiting search in AI programs. It is a mixture of backward and forward search technique. The mean analysis technique was first introduced in 1961 by Alan Newell and Harvard A. Simon in their problem-solving computer program, which was named as General Problem Solver (GPS). The mean analysis process centered on the evaluation of the difference between the current state and the goal state. So how mean how mean analysis works? So mean analysis work कैसे करती है? The mean analysis process can be applied recursively for a problem. It is a strategy to control search in problem solving. Following are the main steps which describe the working of MEA technique for solving a problem. So first, evaluate the difference between the initial state and the final state. Select the various operators which can be applied for each differences. Apply the operator at each difference which reduce the difference between the current state and the goal state. Algorithm. This is the algorithm of mean analysis. So first step, compare current to goal. If there are no difference between both the return success and exist at exit, हम बाहर आ जाएंगे उसके वहाँ से. Step 2, else select select the most significant difference and reduce it by doing the following steps until the success or failure occurs. So A part, select a new operator for which is applicable for the current difference, and if there is no such operator, then select failure. Second, B part, attempt to apply operator O to current, make a description of two states. Start Start is state in which all predictions are satisfied. O result, the state that would result if O is was applied in O start. So first part, then MA current oblique O start, and last part mean and mean and analysis. So O result goal are successful, then signal success and return the result of combining first part O and last part. Okay. So thank you so much.